Attention in the personal electronics market is focusing on easily portable smartphones and ultrabooks equipped with 5G communication functions and wearable devices and hearable devices with increasingly sophisticated functionality. Murata Manufacturing's thermistors include NTC thermistors that can detect a wide temperature range with high precision and PTC thermistors suitable for detection of any temperature and overcurrent protection. For example, in the case of a smartphone, thermistors can be used to lengthen the life of batteries and to improve the safety of products by detecting and monitoring the temperature. Using small NTC thermistors also contributes to reducing the size and lowering the profile of products. Resettable PTC thermistors can be used in overcurrent protection for external terminals. We have published block diagrams for each application item on our website. Please feel free to use them. In wearable devices such as smartwatches, hearable devices such as wireless earphones, and AR and VR devices such as VR goggles, thermistors can be used in temperature detection for batteries, connectors, and ICs and in overcurrent protection for external terminals. Thermistors can also be used in body surface temperature detection. In personal computers, PTC thermistors can be used in overheating temperature detection for batteries, ICs, and HDDs with a simple circuit. They can be used in overcurrent protection for external terminals as well. It is also possible to detect abnormal heat generation at all points of concern with one output by connecting multiple PTC thermistors in a series on a board. Murata's thermistors contribute to the evolution of terminals with an extensive lineup in the personal electronics market. In addition to the personal electronics market, Murata's thermistors are playing a role such as in cars, which are familiar to us, thermometers, and medical devices, servers, communication equipment, and industrial equipment in fields which support society.